Pour-over is an all-glass pour-over coffee maker with a built-in glass filter. Because it's all glass, you won't have any other taste in your cup like paper, metal, or plastic.
Oh, wait a minute.
My name is Itai, and this is what I do every day. I also do this every day. One day, I decided to combine my career in glass and my love of coffee, and after 6 months of prototyping with my shopmate here in Portland, Oregon, the pour-over coffee maker was born. It's crafted from scientific-grade borosilicate glass, which is specifically engineered to withstand high temperatures, like boiling water. Pour-over brews with just coffee and glass. You can make a bold, chewy cup of coffee without relying on single-use paper filters. The world uses a lot of trees to make paper filters. 1.5 million trees to make the 275 billion filters that are produced and used every year. We can do better. I'm gonna pass it over to Jordan, who's made countless delicious coffee drinks for the people of Portland, and who knows coffee better than anyone I know.
Brewing with the pour-over is great because it preserves a lot of the natural oils and fines of the beans. Paper filters tend to get in the way and take away a lot of the good stuff. Some like to think of the cup of a pour-over as smooth, velvety. I like to call it chewy. Let me show you how it works. First, we start like we always do. Grind your favorite coffee. I like to go slightly finer than a French press. Don't bother with the paper filter. Just pour the grounds right into the dripper and get ready to taste the coffee, not the paper. The water diffuser helps regulate the pour and assists in a process called cake filtration, where the coffee grounds act as a filter themselves. Combined with the all-glass filter, this makes for a bold, chewy cup of coffee. Return the dripper back to its base and enjoy your cup. It's easy to clean. Dump it out and give it a rinse and you're done. I'm gonna send it back to Itai in the shop.
Pour-over isn't only here to help you make a flavorful cup of coffee at home. We're also here to support young people and show them the option for following a career in the fine or industrial arts. That's why we're partnering with The Crucible to support a new generation of young makers. Help us create this new way of brewing and create a whole new generation of artists and craftspeople by backing our Kickstarter today.
Every day you repeat this routine a dozen times. After numerous espresso cups, your muscles may hurt, and it's not every time you can get a perfectly pressed coffee. Chino Art Automatic Coffee Tamper is a perfect solution. It's an adjustable, electronic tamping device for pristine coffee powder pressing in 1 second. It's a reliable partner for your coffee machine because the automatic powder press greatly improves the coffee production quality and the taste of coffee. The Chino Art Automatic Tamper has 3 modes for easy switching. It offers quick and useful settings to change depending on the coffee bean type. The pressure level can be easily configured from 2 to 38 pounds and remembered thanks to pressure memory function. As a result of excellent tamping, you'll get a smooth, balmy coffee from your coffee machine. Simple and fast. The Chino Art Automatic Tamper operation is easy to master in just a few minutes, even by non-professional coffee lovers at home. Now you don't have to be an expert to make a perfect coffee. Chino Art. Easy, quick, smart.
Or Vessel. Quality crafted goods that ensure you're prepared to thrive and survive in your outdoor pursuits. All great adventures tend to begin the same, with an early start. That first sip of coffee as the sun rises. And while we insist on suiting up in the best gear possible, our outdoor coffee experience always fell flat. So we thought, why settle for a mediocre cup of coffee? Why not try to elevate our time outdoors? But when we set out to find a premium hand coffee grinder that lived up to our high standards, we found none durable enough or portable enough to go the extra mile. So we decided to build our own. Introducing Vessel Java. Vessel Java is a high-end constructed, ultra-durable, all-in-one hand grinder designed for the modern adventurer with a fine-tuned homebrew routine who's tired of compromising their coffee while exploring the great outdoors. Flimsy parts can get banged up on the road less traveled. We knew the only way to truly have great coffee anywhere would be to make the most durable hand grinder out there. Java is made of tough aircraft-grade aluminum, so you'll never have to worry about your vessel being able to withstand the journey. We designed the Vessel Java with a never-before-seen easy carry clip and flip signature handle. Simply attach the collapsible carabiner to your pack and easily flip out the handle to prep your brew when the birds start chirping. Feel free to max out the dual-purpose carabiner. With a load-bearing capacity over 200 pounds, you can pack and play as hard as you need. Hand grinders are all about the quality of the blades. We equip Java with the best-in-class stainless steel burr blades. Steel cuts through beans faster, so you spend less time grinding and more time fueling up for the adventures ahead. And thanks to our signature extendable grinder handle and ergonomic hand grip, you can go from beans to brew in under a minute. Once you're done with the grip, simply stow it away in the bottom of the grinder. You'll taste the difference whether you're at sea level or 10,000 feet. Coffee has never tasted better than when it starts with the satisfaction of freshly hand-ground beans. Essential tools like Java should make things easier, not harder. We added a unique quick-release top so you can remove the top, add your beans, and get one step closer to that first sip to start fueling your day. While other grinders on the market lock you into one specific brew system, the Vessel Java comes with 30 unique grind settings. So whether you're a pour-over type or prefer a hand-pressed espresso, the Java makes it easy to select your optimal grind size so you can brew the best cup of coffee anywhere. If you're thinking, why not just pack pre-ground? Well, this Kickstarter may not be for you. For well-caffeinated purists, absolutely nothing compares to the taste and quality of freshly hand-ground beans. By backing us in our production cost of the revolutionary Vessel Java, you're committing to upgrading your outdoor coffee experience from amateur to professional. You're not the type to pack an instant brew in your overnight supplies, and now you won't have to. The Vessel Java is a promise to unite your two worlds. Back Vessel Java today, because why shouldn't you enjoy the best cup of coffee possible in the most epic outdoor setting imaginable?